Hi, I'm Avrumi Glaser, and today I want to talk about something I think we all feel deep down. The fear of judgment, the fear that one day we will have to pay for our affairs. And I want to tell you why I think that this might be the exact thing that's getting in the way of us doing chuva. We live in a generation where so much of our chinuch system, so much of our education is based on the fear of Gehenna, the fear of punishment. And the truth is, it might keep some people in line, but it comes at a great cost. Because when fear is the main motivator, and a scare tactic is the main way to keep people in line, a lot of people will give up. A lot of people will fall and say, it's too late for me. We're all human. Like Shlomo Melech says, Ein tzadik ba'aretz asher yaseh tov le'yechta. And that's not a bug in the system. That's how Hashem created this world. That's how He wanted it. And that's exactly why He gave us chuva. What makes chuva so incredible is that it doesn't even make sense. Think about it. If someone sins against the king, he does something against the king's will, his judgment and punishment should be imminent, right away. Chazal teach us that Ratzah Kadosh Baruch Hu lehetiv lebrov. Hashem created this world to give good to His creation. And chuva, the chance to start over, is the best expression of that good. Now there are two types of chuva. There's chuva me'ira, fear of punishment, and there's chuva me'ahavah, chuva from love, wanting to return back to Hashem out of love, because we want to be connected to Him. Chazal teach us that when someone does chuva me'ira, his averas get erased. But when someone does Teshuva Me'Ahavah, those same averas become zechuyos. They become like mitzvahs. Because those same averas are what brought you closer to Hashem. So that means you turn the darkness into light. Who knows and is aware of our whole reality? Only Hashem. Hashem is aware of the generation we're in. He's aware of our surroundings. He's aware of our struggles and our nature. And He is the one who put us here. He's the one who gave us these challenges. Do you think He thought we were going to overcome all our challenges? Or do you think Hashem knew exactly what He's doing? And He put us in this place because He wanted us to come back to Him from this place. Yes, this place, wherever you are right now. It doesn't mean you have to stay up all night and cry and be all dramatic about it. All it really is saying, Hashem, I miss you. That's where it starts. Hashem, I want to be close to you, and I miss feeling close to you. Because I fall so often, and my averas bring me far and give me the feeling that I'm far from you. There's a famous saying, if you feel far from Hashem, it's not Him who moved. Hashem is with you the whole time. But sometimes we feel far from Him. And tshuva begins when you say, Hashem, I miss you. I want to get back home. I want to be close to you. I want to be connected to you. Chazal teach us that Pischli Pesach kechudoy shel machat, v'ani eftach lechem Pesach kepischei shel ulam. You open up just a little opening, tiny opening like the head of a needle, and I'll open up the doors like the doors of a hall. The beginning of tshuva is telling Hashem, I want to come home. Let Hashem guide you in the way. So if you feel like it's too late, it's not. If you feel like you've messed up too much, too badly, you haven't. Hashem is waiting for you. He didn't create this world to punish us. He created this world to bring us close. And that's the power of Teshuva Me'Ahavah. That's the message that this generation needs. So if this message speaks to you, please help me share it with the world. We all know someone who needs to hear that they're not too far gone, that Hashem hasn't given up on them. Let's spread a little more light, a little more love, and maybe even a little more Geula. Thanks for watching.